Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the surprising benefits of taking olive oil at night. You may think of it as just another cooking ingredient, but this liquid gold has been treasured for centuries as a powerful ally for health. So here's the big question. What actually happens inside your body when you take just 1 tablespoon before going to sleep? The answer might astonish you. Its impact goes far beyond digestion, influencing your brain, heart, bones, hormones, and even how well you sleep. Stay with me because what you're about to learn could motivate you to add this simple step to your nightly routine. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. 1. Brain protection and memory. Olive oil is loaded with potent compounds such as 𝐿-canthal, a naturally occurring anti-inflammatory. Research suggests it can help reduce the buildup of harmful plaques in the brain, which are associated with conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Adding it to your evening diet may support sharper memory and promote long-term brain health. 2. Anti-cancer potential. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols, especially hydroxytyrosol and 𝐿-canthal. Studies indicate that these powerful antioxidants may slow the growth of abnormal cells and can even trigger their self-destruction. While research is still ongoing, the findings so far are promising, particularly when it comes to colon and breast cancer. 3. Heart and circulation health. One of the most impressive benefits of olive oil is its effect on your cardiovascular system. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, it helps lower inflammation, shields blood vessels, and supports healthier blood pressure. Regular consumption has been linked to reduced cholesterol levels and a lower risk of heart attacks. 4. Blood sugar balance. Taking a spoonful of olive oil at night may help keep your blood sugar more stable. Its healthy fats can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to handle glucose more efficiently. This can be especially beneficial for people at risk of diabetes or anyone looking for steadier energy and fewer blood sugar spikes. 5. Stronger bones. Olive oil doesn't just care for your heart, it looks after your bones as well. Some of its natural compounds appear to boost calcium absorption and encourage bone formation. Research shows that people who regularly consume olive oil tend to have better markers of bone health, which can help lower the risk of osteoporosis over time. 6. Digestive and gut health. Olive oil supports a healthier gut by nourishing beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. It also stimulates bile production, which improves digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. In addition, its anti-inflammatory properties can protect the digestive tract from irritation and discomfort, promoting a calmer, more comfortable gut. 7. Deeper sleep. Olive oil may also enhance your sleep quality in 2 key ways. First, it increases feelings of fullness, cutting down on late-night cravings and preventing your stomach from feeling overloaded. Second, its anti-inflammatory effects can ease physical discomfort that might otherwise wake you up or keep you from drifting off. Together, these benefits make it a simple, natural tool for better sleep. 8. Sexual and hormonal health. Olive oil plays a meaningful role in men's health too. By improving blood circulation, it supports healthy erectile function. Its antioxidants help protect the cells responsible for testosterone production, which can contribute to more balanced hormone levels. This makes olive oil not only a friend to your heart, but also a natural aid for reproductive and hormonal health. How much should you take? You don't need a lot. Just 1 tablespoon, about 15 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil before bedtime is enough. Ideally, take it 1 to 2 hours before going to sleep so your body has time to process it, and you can fully experience its digestive and sleep-supporting effects. Consistency is key. Turning this into a regular habit is what will help you see the most benefit over the long term. Final thoughts. Olive oil is far more than a basic kitchen staple. It's a powerful partner for your overall well-being, from protecting your brain and heart to improving digestion, strengthening bones, and enhancing sleep. Its benefits touch nearly every part of the body. Would you consider trying this simple nighttime ritual? If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness secrets. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health, nurture your body, and never stop learning.